Hi there. So I've been homesick for the last week, and I was taking a look at my videos and realized, oh man, I've got to put together another video for the upcoming week, and realized that I haven't recorded anything in a while. So basically I had to look and see what I had in the can, so to speak, that hadn't been finalized and edited for content to see if I had something I could upload. And I found something, and pardon me, I could see why I never uploaded it, because it was something that I actually failed at. A teacher had asked me to hang some pictures on the wall for him. I wasn't sure why he didn't do it himself. And then I thought, oh, okay, yeah, it's a concrete wall. That's why he didn't do it. He needed my help because he can't put a picture hanger in a concrete wall. So I brought all my tools to the classroom and went to go and start drilling holes in the wall and realized, oh, no, it's drywall. So why did he ask me to do it? So I went ahead and I put up some picture hangers to hang these framed posters. And, well, I'll let you watch the episode and see why and how I failed.
Buckle up for safety as I give you a day in the life of facilities maintenance.
Morning, just a quick one today. I have to hang 4, well, they used to be posters, now they're framed posters, on the wall behind me. 4 of them behind me and 1 of them just on another wall over there. So the trick is, what kind of hanger do I actually use? Well, these are them there. And the type of hanger that I need to use depends on what they've got going on here. Okay, so this is probably your worst type of mounting system. Okay, that's what we've got. Yeah, this is probably your worst type of mounting system. What I was hoping for was to see a cable running across the back of here, because then I would have mounted them on I would put in 2 picture hangers, and then the cable hangs over 2 of them. That way, when you adjust the picture for straightness and plumpness, it stays where you put it. These ones here, you're just hanging off a single screw, and yeah, they can be a little bit wonky. Now I'm able to tell where he wants them because you can see the remnants of all this sticky tack on the wall from where they used to live. So that's good. It tells me exactly where to go with them. And I've measured down from the top of the frame to that little wonky hanger, and it's 4.5 inches. So basically the height from the ceiling to the sticky tack plus 4.5 inches is where I'm going to put my screws in the wall. And I say screws because, oh, this is drywall. I thought we were dealing with concrete. It is a concrete building, but it's obviously been framed out in drywall. Okay, so I brought the wrong tools. I was going to use these Tapcons and just put them in. I'll hook this fine. Okay, well, plan B. So I should have come and checked first, because part of the reason why I thought I was dealing with a concrete wall is, one, this was a tilt-up building, and so it is concrete on the exterior walls, but it's been framed out in drywall. But the other reason is because the teacher in this classroom could have hung these things himself. I just made the assumption that because he asked me to hang them, that he was not able to because we're dealing with a concrete wall. I'll do it under silent protest. think I realized why he asked me to hang these for him. Or maybe he doesn't even realize this, but here's the thing. These frames are actually not hangable with a picture hanger. Let me show you what I mean. So previously, when I was just assuming that I was mounting into a concrete wall, and I accounted for the depth of the frame and the type of screw that was going into the wall, a tapcon, and how far out I had to keep that tapcon from the wall in order to be able to access the hanger on the back of the picture. Well, I kind of deleted all that information from my head when I realized I had to switch to drywall. And here's the issue. These picture hangers on the back of this hardboard material are sitting here. They're recessed an inch from the edge. Well, it can't get anywhere near the hanger on the wall because the hanger on the wall is flush mounted to the drywall. So this hanging system,
Short of taking the picture hangers and first mounting them onto 4 1-inch thick blocks and then mounting those on the wall,
actually doesn't work to hang a picture on a wall. You see what I mean, right? I've got all the hangers mounted. They're all the exact distance from the ceiling. They're all perfectly spaced with each other, but they can't reach the hanger on the back of the picture because the back of the picture is not flush with the frame. The back of the picture is set in an inch. So what do? Do I tell them they're not hangable? I was just kind of doing the guy a solid, but I think I'm going to have to tell him that these pictures are not hangable. Unless he wants to reframe them in something else, it's just not worth my time. Because if I have to spend a few hours to do this, the cost of my time is worth a lot more than the few hours it'll take to put these pictures on the wall. I don't know that I've ever failed at anything before, at least not in this job, and certainly not with something as simple or seemingly as simple as hanging a picture on the wall. But I just failed. Thanks for watching. I felt bad that I actually didn't finish the job that this fellow asked me to do for him, but there comes a time when you realize that you got to count the costs and go, how much time do I want to spend hanging pictures that don't really have anything to do with facilities maintenance or repairs when my time could be spent doing things that actually need to be done with regards to facilities and repairs and maintenance. I tried to squeeze it in and then realized that there's got to be a better way. And I didn't want to tamper with his frames or anything that he had because he might want to return them. Anyways, I'll be back on my feet next week and put together some better content for you.